Hi, I'm Kaleb with Heat Pumps of Maine. Today's technician tip of the day is what to do when your heat pump goes into defrost mode during the winter. When this happens, it's important to let the system run the defrost cycle without interruption. This system will automatically switch into defrost mode to melt frost off the outdoor coil. You may notice cooler air inside or steam coming from the outdoor unit. This is completely normal. Once the defrost cycle is complete, the system will automatically switch back to heating mode with no action needed from you. By allowing the system to fully defrost, you help maintain optimal efficiency and improve comfort in your home.